Hello, welcome back dear children. In this video, we will discuss a grammar topic that is nouns, number. Here you will see what different rules are followed in changing a singular noun to its plural form. Let's go ahead and have a look at those rules. Okay, first rule says, mostly S is added to singular nouns to make them plural. Like fan will become fans after adding S to it. Book will become books. Girl, girls. Boat, boats. Room, rooms. Elephant, elephants. Desk, desks. Chair, chairs. Lake, lakes. River, rivers. House, houses. Tree will become trees. Spoon, spoons. Table, tables. Okay, next rule says es is added to singular nouns which end in letter S, double S, sh, ch and x to make them plural. For example, in singular it is bus, and to make it plural we will add es to it and it will become buses. Similarly, batch will become batches, church, churches, class, classes, watch, watches, brush, brushes. Loss, losses, box, boxes, match, matches, tax, taxes, dish, dishes and glass, glasses. Alright. Another rule says es is added to singular nouns which end in o to make them plural. Like tomato, it ends with letter o. So to make it plural, we will add es to it. It will become tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Mango, mangoes. Echo, ecos. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Okay. Now, according to this rule, nouns that end in f or fe generally form their plural by changing letter f or letters fe to ves. For example, life will become lives as it is ending with fe, so we will replace fe with ves. Then wife, it is also ending with fe, so just remove fe and put ves. It will be wives. Then leaf, it's ending with letter f, so remove f and put ves to make it plural. It will be leaves. Then shelf, shelves. Self, selves. Half, halves. Wolf, wolves. Scarf, scarves. Knife, knives. And calf will become calves. Here are some exceptions to this rule. Like roof, it also ends with f, but when it is made plural, only s is added to it instead of ves. Similarly, giraffe, it ends with fe. In order to make it plural, we simply add letter s to it instead of ves. Likewise, chief, chiefs, belief, beliefs, proof, proofs and so on. Okay. Then here is another rule. According to this, nouns ending in letter y form their plural by changing y to ies. Like city, it's ending with Y, so it will be cities. What we have done? We have replaced Y with IES. Then army, it's also ending with Y, so just remove Y and put IES. It will be armies. Lady, ladies. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Bunny, bunnies. Family, families. Okay. Now, nouns ending with Y form their plural by changing Y to IES. Similarly, here also candy will become candies, country, countries, lily, lilies, fly, flies, fairy, fairies, copy, copies, dairy, dairies. Okay, now here are some exceptions to this rule as well. If the final Y comes just after a vowel, the plural is formed by simply adding S to the singular. Like the noun toy, it's ending with Y. And just before that, there is a vowel O, right? So in this case, we just add S to make it plural, to make such nouns plural. Like toy will become toys, then key will become keys, play, plays. Just see, it's ending with Y and before that A is coming and A is a vowel. So that's why we are just adding S to it. Essay, essays, day, days, way, ways. Donkey, donkeys, valley, valleys. See, it's ending with Y and before that vowel E is coming. That's why S is added. Tray, trays, ray and rays. Okay. Some nouns do not follow any of these rules given above. So we have to keep in mind their singular and plural forms. They are also called irregular nouns. Like man. Plural of man is men. Then woman, women. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Okay. Now, there are some nouns that remain same in singular and plural form. Like hair remains hair when it is made plural. Sheep remains sheep. Deer remains deer. Also, there are such nouns as well that are used in plural only. Like people remains people. Cattle, cattle. Gentry, gentry. Clothes, clothes. Trousers, trousers. Shoes, shoes. Scissors, scissors. Spectacles, spectacles. Okay. Now moving on to the book exercise. Hope it is clear, children, till here. In part A, you have to underline the nouns and write whether they are countable or uncountable. Countable means what you can count in numbers, okay? And uncountable means which you cannot count in numbers, right? Like milk, you cannot count it. After that, identify whether they are singular or plural. First one is the chefs are cooking in the kitchen. Chefs is a noun, right? And we can count them. So it is countable and it is plural. More than one chefs is there. Chef, plural of chef is chefs. So on the top, write C for countable and P for plural by putting a comma in the middle. Okay. Then kitchen is also a countable noun. We can count the number of kitchens, right? That is 1. There is only one kitchen. We are talking about singular. So it is singular. Put S on the top. Write C and S on the top. C for countable and S for singular. Then next one is the student is sitting in the class. Student is a countable and singular noun. So write down C, S on the top of student. Then class is also a countable and singular noun. Similarly, third one, the broom is in the kitchen. Broom is a countable and singular noun. Kitchen is also a countable and singular noun. Then fourth one is the girls are playing in the field. Girls here is countable but plural. More than one girl is here. Then field is a countable and singular noun. Similarly, try rest of the parts too. Moving on to part B. Write plural forms of the underlined nouns. And moreover, you have to make necessary changes as well. First one is the boy is walking the dog. Here, plural of boy will be boys. Now, with plural noun, we have to use such helping verb that goes with plural. So, change is to are. After that, dog will be dogs. So, it will be the dogs are walking, the boys are walking the dogs. Second one, put the toy in the bag. Toy will become toys and bag will become bags. Then the butterfly is flying to the flower. Butterfly will become butterflies, and with plural we will also change the helping verb. Is will become are and flower will become flowers. Likewise, you will do rest of the parts too. Try them yourself. Moving on to part C. Fill in the blanks with correct form of given nouns. The dash are walking on the pavement. In brackets you are given man. Plural of man is men. The men are walking on the pavement. Then a pair of oxen are grazing in the field. As plural of ox is oxen. I brush my teeth daily. Plural of tooth is teeth. Similarly, try the remaining parts as well. Alright, that's it for this video, children. Thanks for watching.